Throughout the long term, blockchain development has arrived at new levels, with the mining system becoming simpler and less tedious. All the Pi digital money is an impending crypto drive that professes to give clients each of the benefits of Bitcoin while staying away from its detriment. The Pi money has no worth starting around the 21st of October 2022. It can't be sold on any trade. It doesn't yet exist on a genuine blockchain. It has no wallet, and is mined by individuals marking into the Pi application from their telephones and tapping a button. Given such confounding qualities, it's nothing unexpected that numerous inquisitive gatherings are left inquiring what is the Pi cryptographic money. In this video, we'll take a gander at this strange new digital currency and diagram its key highlights. What is Pi organization and Pi coin? The Pi network project is unique. Not just has Pi developed to unmistakable quality in spite of not yet being recorded, however, it is likewise notable for being very easy to mine. Pi organization was laid out by two Stanford College scholastics, Nicholas Kokales and Qingdiao Fan. They began chipping away at it in 2018 to make advanced cash for the ordinary citizens. On Walk 14, 2019, they distributed a white paper and delivered the Pi organization application. The undertaking vows to be naturally manageable, which could assist with drawing in more environment-cognizant financial backers. It could be particularly compelling since the crypto market has frequently been reproved for its significant energy utilization because of energy-serious methodology like confirmation of work, which debases the climate. The Pi organization application is utilized to mine Pi, and the mining technique needs clients to hit a button on their telephone like clockwork. Pi mining is in fact not crypto mining since no mining is occurring. Clients are not affirming exchanges as of now, essentially not yet. In reality, people get Pi tokens for getting to the application one time each day and showing that they are not a robot. Clients should get a greeting code from a part to join the application. Pi organization has a reference framework wherein clients bring in additional cash reliant upon the number of others register utilizing their greeting code, as indicated by the white paper for the Pi organization. The local digital money won't be presented until stage 3 of the task, when the Pi organization mainnet is sent off. Designers have not given any clues on a time period. Consequently, nobody knows when this might happen. How does Pi organize work? Pi organization contrasts from numerous other digital currencies in that it utilizes a restrictive component known as the Heavenly Agreement Convention, which empowers clients to get benefits for their cooperation in the organization. The Pi environment is based on a progressive strategy known as the United Byzantine Understanding, which empowers a bunch of PCs to agree without requiring a focal power. The SCP is planned to be safer, versatile, and fast than existing plans like verification of work and evidence of stake. The Heavenly Agreement Convention utilizes a legitimacy-based system that urges members to add to the organization by approving exchanges and blocks. The more clients one adds to the Pi environment, the more motivations one gets. On Pi, clients might assume one of 4 parts: pioneer, excavators who mine Pi by tapping the lightning button. There were in excess of 33 million trailblazers starting around 14 Walk 2022. Contributor, a member who gives a rundown of reliable clients to the organization in return for a motivation. Ambassadors, members who elevate new clients to the organization utilizing their reference code get a reward. Nodes, members utilizing the Pi Hub programming on their home PCs as indicated by the venture. When it was sent off, the fundamental mining rate was 1.6 P each hour, which was decreased to 0.8 P after 100,000 clients were added. At the point when 1 million individuals started utilizing the application, the award diminished to 0.4 P each hour, and afterward it was decreased to 0.2 P each hour once its client base outperformed 10 million. The advantages will keep on reducing until they hit 0 when the organization arrives at 1 billion individuals. Pi coin cost examination. The Pi coin is an unlisted symbolic that is basically useless starting around the 21st of October. Accordingly, there is no verifiable information on the Pi organization's presentation since the token has not yet been sent off on any cryptographic money trades. The Pi organization's makers are yet to uncover the quantity of coins available for use when the task is officially sent off. The most extreme stockpile is still not set in stone. Pi coin news and cost drivers. The Pi organization has gone through a few achievements of late, and this might additionally drive the frenzy around the Pi coin. Send-off of Pi interface. In September 2022, the Pi organization declared the send-off of Pi Associate. Pi Connect expects to address current Pi organization crypto constraints, like mining impetuses and liquidity accessibility. Besides, the program plans to offer clients data on Pi's cost and change rate for other famous digital currencies. Pi Connect permits Pi organization clients to make interoperable exchanges with other blockchain networks like Binance Brilliant Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, and others rapidly, reasonably, and safely. Pi coin cost gauge. There are no Pi organization cost forecasts accessible, since the coin has not yet been officially sent off. The Pi organization likewise comes up short on cost history, making it difficult to dissect how its value responds to crypto market variances. Besides, doing a completely fledged key examination is likewise unthinkable. To estimate the cost of the Pi coin, it's essential to consider the cryptographic money's current and planned use cases, the quantity of people who at present own Pi coins, the group of designers behind it, the Pi organization's future potential, etc. On account of Pi, there's not a chance of knowing this large number of realities. The Pi organization will be recorded on digital money trades soon. Assuming this happens, the Pi coin's cost will develop past its worth of $0. At the point when such eagerly awaited projects are at first recorded on digital currency trades, their costs frequently flood over the initial not many weeks. At the point when people rush to get the new imminent huge thing, the market cap ascends because of the gigantic interest. Thus, the cost of the Pi organization might rise. Nonetheless, the cost doesn't as a rule stay high for a lengthy period. It for the most part brings down a couple of days after the principal publicity blurs, since individuals start offering their coins to procure easy gain. Will the Pi network face a similar outcome? The truth will surface at some point. As per Susanna Streeter, a senior money management and markets expert at Hargreaves Lansdowne, Pi has no worth as it can't yet be exchanged. Ms. Streeter likewise said that the application depends on exceptionally incipient and trial innovation. She added, regardless of high cases, there is no confirmation that this organization will have a future, and it is excessively right on time to know whether the coins obtained will merit anything. What's the eventual fate of the Pi organization? While the Pi organization has a grandiose desire of permitting anyone to mine crypto and make blockchain innovation more open, it has been filled with contentions. The solid motivator structure essentially leans toward enrollment, while excavators are repaid in a local cryptographic money with no genuine worth. In the meantime, the Pi money has accomplished far and wide acknowledgement in different nations, including Vietnam. Pi program. The Pi organization's portable application, as of late turned into the fourth most downloaded non-gaming programming in Vietnam on the Apple Application Store and the sixth most downloaded on Google Play. In the meantime, as per Phan Minh Ton, a blockchain expert at the Posts and Broadcast Communications Organization of Innovation in Hanoi, despite the fact that mining Pi is free, there are potential dangers that the Pi organization programming could take much additional data from a gadget. While it is too soon to proclaim Pi organization a trick, financial backers are prescribed to practice alert while managing comparable kinds of digital currency adventures, not just Pi organization. While it is fundamental to know about these Pi realities, they ought not be utilized as a substitution for your own examination. Remember that crypto markets are high risk and extremely unpredictable. Prior to exchanging, consistently complete your own expected level of effort by investigating the most recent news, basic and specialized examination, and a wide scope of experts' perspectives. Remember that previous exhibition is definitely not a solid sign of future outcomes. Also, never exchange with cash you can't bear to lose.